Hello friends, this is Ganesh and today we will be learning how to create tables to work with data in Excel and analyze it. So let's start. Before creating a table, first we will understand what table is. Using table means you can turn a range of cells into an Excel table. But why to use table in Excel? To make managing and analyzing a group of related data easier. Header row, by default a table has an header row. Every table column has filtering enabled in the header row so that you can filter or sort your data very quickly. Banded rows, which differentiates rows by adding alternate colors. Calculated columns gives automated formulas in column due to which there is no need to copy and pasting the formulas. Fifth, total rows give a subtotal formula directly whenever we use filter. The sixth thing is sizing handle. We can handle table by dragging the table itself. Also, insertion and deletion of rows and column becomes fast. So this was the theory. Now we will become practical. First, I will select the range in which I have to insert the table. Now, there are two ways from where we can insert the table. First is at insert tab. We have to click on table. Also, there is a shortcut of Control plus T which we can use. The second option is at home tab. We have to click on format as table and there are various formats available for our table. I am selecting this format. A dialog box is appearing. We have to check my table has header box and we have to press OK. A table has been inserted. Now I will quickly reduce the column of the width. Now you can see that we have got a header which has a different color. Also a filter is enabled in our table from where we can sort our data and filter the data. If I want the store branch to be sorted from A to Z, I will click on here and now you can see that the data is sorted. First Bhinder is coming and last Mira Road is coming. If I want to view the data of Dahisar branch, I will select Dahisar branch and I will press OK. Now the table is showing Dahisar branch data only. I will quickly unfilter it. Now I will sort item name from A to Z. This is the first benefit which we are getting from tables. The second, we are getting banded rows. We are getting banded rows means for every alternate rows, we are getting different color. From viewing purpose, it is very good from presentation purpose. Now, the next benefit which we are getting is we are getting calculated columns. This I will explain through an example. I will enter a formula here of opening quantity into purchase cost per unit and I will press enter. Now you can see that I have entered the formula in this cell and the same formula is applied until the last cell of the table. This is calculated columns. If you don't want this to be happen, you have to simply click here and you have to stop automatically creating calculated columns. But if you want the same to be done, you can redo calculated columns. This is the benefit which you are getting in tables. Now the next benefit which we are getting is that if a table is there, we need the total of the row. So for getting the total, we have to click on design and we have to click here total row. A total row has been enabled for our table. Wait, but the total of profit of sales is only coming. So for we have to drag this total from here to wait. I'm dragging this formula. See, the total is applied everywhere. Here actually a subtotal formula is applied. Subtotal formulas means whenever I filter one thing, the total of that filtered thing only will come. For example, I am filtering ink bottle and I am pressing OK. The total of ink bottle only will come here. See, this is the benefit of tables and subtotal formula. So this was the benefits of table. If you have worked on table and you don't want the table now, then you can select, or you don't, if you don't select also, you have to simply select the design button and you have to click on convert to range and you have to press yes. The table has been removed from your range of data. These were some of the benefits of the table. If you practice table, you will get to know more about tables. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Give your feedbacks and comments to me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.